Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome watch faces to check out. Today is Funday Sunday. Time to relax, get ready for the Monday grind. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys did for the weekend if you were off. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out on Funday Sunday watch face review. This one is nice. Now this one is by the Timekeeper, and the Timekeeper, he definitely gets down on some time. Now with this, the name of the watch face is called Suzuki Hayabusa. I like the name of that. It's very different. And in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look as you would if the watch face was on. Now for the Gear S2, it's going to look slightly different, and I'm liking the look just a little bit better than I like that of the Gear S3, but they both look great. Now when the watch face is on, you get this nice gauge look that you would normally see in the car. Not bad at all the way down to the needle that's going around the bezel of the watch. That's your second hand. Now if you look up at the top, you're going to get your battery info. You come down, you get your digital time along with a PM stamp, AM stamp, and you get the day of the week. If I double tap right here, I can get my weather. And if I double tap right here on the battery gauge, I can pull up my battery info. And I like that you can double tap right here, and you got to double tap right there precise, and you can change the color of the ring that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now you do get seven different colors to choose from, and you can do this one too. Just double tap, match them up, or mix and match, however you like. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one. I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up for creativity, but at the end of the day, it's all up to you. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Enjoy the rest of your Funday Sunday, and hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.